Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to learn about noun and its types. So let's start the video. What is a noun? A naming word. Noun is a naming word. Or we can say a name of a person, place, thing, and animal. So what is a noun? Noun किसको कहते हैं? Noun means a naming word or a name of a person, place, thing, and animal. So this is what we call a noun. For example, now I'm going to show you some examples of the noun so that you may understand furthermore that what is a noun. If we talk about people, of if we say persons, like I have, you can see that over the screen. I have examples of the people and person like Ayas, man, person, woman, girl, prime minister. These are the example of the persons, and they all are called noun. Places. In places we have Hyderabad, Pakistan, North Pole, South Africa, classroom. And then animals, birds, or reptiles. So as I told you that a noun is a naming word, means name of anything, किसी भी चीज का नाम. So animals, if we talk about lion, zebra, snake, ostrich, flamingo, bear, cat. So these are the name of the animals. You can see over the screen. These are the examples of a noun. Ideas, evolution, invention, extinction, argument, and destructions. So viewers, these are the examples of a noun. That a noun is a naming word, a name of a person, a name of a place, and name of animal, or it can be any idea. So these are the example of noun. Like object or things, bat, cycle, curtains, pepper, bag, blackboard, cupboard. So these are the names of the things or objects. So now you can see over the screen, a noun is the name of a person, people, places, animals, ideas, objects, or things. So this is a noun. And then let's go and let's start, or let's talk about the types of nouns. Okay, so the types of nouns are very important to understand them, and so that furthermore we understand about the noun, that what are the types of noun. Common noun is a first type. A common noun, which means it is a name of common thing, person, and place. Okay, common means which can be found or accessible handily, and which can be found everywhere. Okay, that is what we call a common noun. Example, house, cat, girl, foot, country. These are the examples of common nouns. And then proper noun, it is a name of a proper, which means particular thing, place, and person. For example, Span, Karachi, Sony, Ayas. So these names are the particular names, or we can say these are proper names. That's why we call them proper noun. So a noun is a naming word, a name of anything, and common noun means the name of common things, people, person, we can say place, which are common. And proper noun are name of proper things, place, and person, which are particular. I hope you have understood these two types of a noun. And now, collective nouns. A collective noun is used to denote a group of objects, animals, or people. Collective nouns means collection of nouns, collection of things, collection of persons, collection of objects, or we can say that group of persons, group of animals. This is what we call the collective noun. So let's look at the examples of collective nouns. Examples: collective nouns for groups of animals, a flock of sheep, a herd of elephants. And example 2, the collective nouns for groups of people, a band of musicians, a board of directors. Example 3, collective nouns for a number of things or objects, a pair of shoes. Number 2, a bunch of grapes. So these are the examples of the collective nouns. Collective nouns means किसी चीज का या शख्सों का, पर्सन्स का या एनिमल्स का जो ग्रुप होता है उसको हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं, लेकिन उनके लिए नेम एक यूज होता है, सच एज आर्मी, police department, classroom. These are also called the collective nouns. I hope you have understood collective noun. If you have any problem, you can comment me later on and I'll respond to you. Then the next type of a noun, concrete nouns. A concrete noun refers to objects that are material, can be perceived by the human senses. Let's suppose we, the human beings, have got 5 senses. Okay? जो चीजें सेंस के थ्रू परसीव की जाए उनको कॉन्क्रीट नाउन्स कहा जाता है. For examples, the book is on the table. Now, book can be seen through the sense of the sight, and it can also be touched, and table can also be seen, it can be touched. And number 2, I had a cup of coffee, means a cup can be seen and touched. Coffee can be seen and can be tasted as well, or we can say can be touched as well. Sharon opened the windows. Windows can be seen and touched. Hardy goes to school by bus. So bus can be seen and bus can be touched. उन चीजों को कॉन्क्रीट नाउन कहते हैं जिनको हम देख सकें, सूंघ सकें, जिसका टेस्ट ले सकें, जिनको टच कर सकें. These are called the concrete nouns. I hope you have understood. So let's move towards another kinds of noun. Abstract noun. Abstract nouns, it cannot be perceived by the 5 senses of the human body, are called an abstract noun. जैसा कि पहले मैं बता चुका हूं, कॉन्क्रीट नाउन वो होता है जो हम इंसान, जो हमारे 5 सेंसेस होते हैं उनके थ्रू उनको परसीव कर सके. लेकिन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जो है वो कॉन्क्रीट नाउन का ऑपोजिट है. यानी वो नाउन्स जिनको हम, जो ह्यूमन, हमारे 5 सेंसेस जो हैं उनके थ्रू हम उनको क्या करें, परसीव ना कर सकें, उनको हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल्स, love is a strong emotion. So love cannot be seen and touched. Okay. And honesty is the best policy. So in this sentence, the honesty, it takes a lot of courage to raise your voice and stand up against injustice. So here in this sentence, courage, you should not misuse the freedom you're given. So in this sentence, freedom. So abstract noun and concrete noun, the both are opposite nouns. I hope you have understood. These are the examples of the abstract nouns. Then countable and uncountable nouns. A noun that can be counted is called countable noun. जिस नाउन को हम काउंट कर सकें, गिन सकें, उसको हम कहते हैं काउंटेबल नाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल, Tom brought 10 packets of Lays. So here 10, number 10 is showing what? Something that we can count. Mom asked me to buy a dozen eggs. So here a dozen eggs, so they show what? They show the 12 numbers. Okay, so they can also be counted. Then the next, uncountable noun, a noun that cannot be counted. For example, I have a lot of homework to do. So now homework is not specified, so that's why we will call it uncountable noun. I have a cup of tea, which means the tea cannot be counted. So this is also not, it's also not specified over here. So that's why we will call it uncountable noun. I hope you have understood. Countable noun means those nouns which can be counted. Like mobile, if I say mobile, so the question rises, how many mobiles? We can't say how much. But if we talk about water, then we have to say how much water. So water cannot be counted, mobile can be counted. So countable noun, which those nouns which can be counted, and uncountable nouns, those nouns which cannot be counted. And then compound nouns. Compound nouns are those nouns which are combined, in which two or more words are combined and they make one word, is called compound noun. A compound noun combines two or more words into one. So how? Let's have some examples. Dry cleaning. So over here we have two words. One is dry and second is cleaning. They both are creating one word. That's why we call them a compound noun, because two words together they make one noun. So the next is two or more than two. The next is Jack in the Box. Then toothpaste, haircut, output, ice cream, potato chip. So these are the examples of the compound nouns. Compound nouns means two or more words, they make one noun. Like bus driver, such as classroom. These are the examples of the compound nouns. Let's move. Singular and plural. Singular refers to only one person, place, or thing. Okay, only one person, one place, one thing. Examples, house. Here we're talking about one house. Cat. Here we're talking about one cat. Country. Here we're talking about one country. So here we're not talking about houses, cats, countries. So here we're talking about one house, one cat, one country. That's why they are called singular nouns. Plural nouns refers to more than one of something, means more than one. Examples, houses. So the example which is given in singular, that is a house, but the example which is given in plural, that is houses. Then cats, then countries. So now you people can compare both nouns together, singular and plural. You will find the difference, that those nouns which are singular and those nouns which are plural, you will get to know having seen the examples given in this lesson. So thank you very much for watching this video, noun and its types in English grammar. So this video I presented for beginners and advanced level of students, harsh speech in English grammar, noun and its types in English grammar. So kindly subscribe my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you very much and thank you.